morning. Welcome to week 4 of online learning. Let's go ahead and open up our folder for April 20th. So if we take a look at our to-do list this week, each day you have a different reading assignment to complete. And this week I set them up a little bit differently. So instead of there being just one big document, you're going to have an individual document for each day, and I'll show you what that looks like. So for example, today you're going to complete this first one. It's called Ambivalent Empire, and you can watch the crash course first for some background information. But then what you're going to do is you're going to open the assignment, and the first link will be your reading, and the second link will be your document that you type into. And then just each day you're going to submit that individual document instead of one big document at the end of the week. So there are 4 documents for American imperialism, and then at the end there is one for westward expansion. So again, another crash course to watch and a reading to do for that one. Okay? Alright, so once again, I have office hours every day from 9 to 11. Mr. Rico also has office hours from 10 to 12. So please feel free to contact us at any time during the week that you need help, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.